Here is our Range Rover Autobiography. This car is the 5-litre supercharged V8. It's finished in Causeway Grey, which is a premium metallic. So if we move to the wheels, you get the 22-inch 5 twin-spoke wheels, finished in gloss black. You also, I don't know if you can see, but you get the electrically deployable side steps as well. Another option is the rear privacy glass. So if we take a look inside, if we have a look at the rear of the car, so as you can see, you get the grand black lacquer veneer throughout the whole car. You also have the Meridian 825 watt surround sound as standard. This car has the full ivory semi-aniline leather throughout. As you can see, one of the bigger options on this car, you do get the factory fitted rear seat entertainment. If we move down here, you do get lumbar support and electric back adjustment on the rear seats, along with the winged headrests. If we move down here, you do get the digital 4-zone climate control with the heated and ventilated rear seats. If you fold the rear seat down in the middle, you do get the twin cup holders, which also serves as an armrest. You also get the benefit of the sliding panoramic sunroof in the back, along with the ivory Alston headlining. As we move into the front of the car, so as you can see, there's the side steps fully deployed. You do obviously get the memory function as standard for both the passenger and the driver in the front. You also get all the electrical functions for the seats on the side. So this car's also got the leather and wood steering wheel, which is of course heated, along with your other controls and the paddle shift. You obviously get adaptive cruise control as standard on the autobiographies. And you also get the supercharged display, with it being the 5-litre. Another standard feature is, of course, you do get the drinks cooler in the front compartment. So if we move into the infotainment, you do get dual view for the passenger. You've also got all the park assist functions here as well, along with your nav, Bluetooth, TV, ambient lighting. You also do get the timed climate in this car. So this is the side profile of the car. With it being the autobiography, you do get the soft closed doors as well, along with the surround view cameras. Lovely specification and really low mileage as well for the age of the car. For any more information, please do contact us on 01423 331133. Thank you.